Well, welcome back to Gardener's Cottage here in Blakeney. I've come over in the middle of May, middle of lockdown, to do some maintenance. And we're just going to show you this little courtyard that guests get to enjoy. Straight out from the kitchen, we've got now this beautiful marigold, absolutely in full flower on this back wall. Surrounding it in the corner, we've got the just last of the wisteria flowers coming down, and then we've repeated the planting into this corner with another big marigold. And then on the back wall, much less vigorous roses, you can see. This is again a repeat planting as we showed you on the southern aspect of the cottage. This is Golden Showers, lovely thornless rose. When you come to tidy this one up, you really appreciate the difference between it and marigold, although you get maybe a quarter of the flowers on this one that you do on the corresponding marigold, which was planted at the same time. I'm going to give this a good deadhead in a few minutes time just to tidy it up. We're going to be a little careful because we have now got a total in this corner of 3 bird nests, which we're not going to disturb if we can help it. One up there, one in the corner, and a third just up there above the light, a pigeon nest. So I'm going to try not to disturb the birds while we work on this little courtyard feature.